Hello everyone, you're welcome back once again. For those of you that are mining the very project or crypto project, here is a video on how to import your very tokens to your Safepal wallet. I recently made a video on how to still add this your very tokens to your MetaMask, but here I'm just gonna be showing you how to add it on your Safepal. Safepal seems to be one of the simplest way you can add your very mainnet, import your very mainnet so that you can be able to transfer your very tokens to this Safepal Web3 wallet. So watch this video to the end so that I don't do mistake for any reason. All right. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, here is my very mainnet. Here is my very wallet. So I'll be dropping the link to download the wallet at the comment section. For those of you that don't know where to download it from, you can download this app from either Play Store or Apple Store. All right. When you download the app, you can see the logo right here. The logo is displaying right at the screen. If you go to Play Store, you'll see it. Just download it, and after downloading it, you create a wallet. I've just showed you how to create a wallet in my previous video. I'll be dropping the link right at the video description for those of you that don't know how to create wallet. So after creating the wallet, you can also import your any Web3 wallet into this app. But I always advise you open another different wallet so that your money don't get compromised if eventually you happen to give out your seed phrase mistakenly to a hacker. That's why it's always advisable to create a different wallet. All right. So after opening the wallet, here you have to first of all import the mainnet into this Safepal wallet. So in order to import the VeryChat Mainnet into the Safepal wallet, you have to click right here where you have these settings. You click on it. Now after clicking on it, you come down to where you have this custom network right here. Because we want to import, we'll just click on right here. So you tap on it, and then you go ahead and tap on where you have this add network. You tap on it, and then you see where you have this manual entry. You tap on this manual button. All right, these are the various test nets, but we are not going to be clicking on any of these. So we just tap on manual, add manual. You click on it, and then we are going to be filling in all these information that you see right here. Okay, now all this information has been written down on a different page, on a different note, but I'm going to still paste all these VeryChat informations right at the video description. Go ahead over to the video description and copy them one after the other and come down here and insert all of them. All right, so let's go over to where I saved it. The first thing is the network name. I'll just open up my notepad and copy the network name. Here you can see this is where I saved it, and the network name is very mainnet. So I'll copy it, and then I'll copy it, go back to the app, yes, and go back to this app and paste it right here. The next one is RPC URL. So I'll still go back and copy the RPC URL. This is it. This is the RPC URL. I'll copy it. All right, just copy only the address. Okay, copy only the address, then go back to the app. You paste it right here where you have this. You paste it right here. Then the next one is called the chain ID. This is the chain ID. You go over to this place and copy this chain ID. Meanwhile, I'll be pasting it like I said at the comment or at the video description for those of you that want to have it. So you just go over there and copy them one after the other in the app. Okay, then the next one is called currency symbol. Here I'm going to be pasting the currency symbol right here. So come down here, copy it, go over, go back and paste the currency symbol right here. Now you can do this optionally. This one can be done optionally, but I always prefer to just type it. Okay, then the next one is called the block explorer. So this is the block explorer that I'll be copying. I'll just tap here, type this, then just go and save it. Okay, meanwhile, kindly like and subscribe as you are watching the video, and if you are new in the channel, congratulations for coming to this channel. All right, so you paste it right here, and then I have just added everything. These are all the informations that I need for me to be able to import the very mainnet. So you just go ahead and tap on add. You click on it, and then ensure that your network is very stable while you are doing this. Okay, now this is the very mainnet. You can see successful right there. This is the very mainnet that has just been added successfully. All right, so you just go ahead and click on add network, and then it has been added. It has been added successfully. Now let's go back and check if it has really been added. So just tap right here. You can just tap right here to go back. It has been added. Yes, it has been added. So just go back again, back to the main wallet. Go back to the main wallet, and then let's search for Very right here. We can as well search for Very right here. You can see that it will pop up. All right, so this is the Very that have just been added successfully. All right, so if you've gone this far, congratulations. All right, now anytime you want to send and transfer your Very tokens, is very simple. You have to click right in the app, then come over to where you have this your receive, or if you want to send out the token to someone, just tap right here, and then as soon as you tap right there, you can send out the token to anyone, or you can even use this button. But anytime you want to receive the very token from anybody, just click right here. Okay, click on the receive, or you can use this option to do that. All right, so I hope you've understood how to add your very mainnet and how to send and receive at the same time from this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to support the channel, like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question, leave it at the comment section, and see you in the next video.